Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. Today I will teach you the correct way to share your Facebook assets with someone else without sharing your credentials. So first thing what you need to do is go into your business manager by going to the URL business.facebook.com/settings. Once you are in your business manager, go to the left area here and scroll down and go to business info. Once you're there, you'll find your business manager ID. Just copy this and send to the person from whom you are requesting the business assets access. So once they have this business ID, what they need to do, they need to go into their business manager and into the partners area. In the partners area, you can see two different options here. They need to click on the partners to share assets with. So when they click on add button here, it will ask them to enter your business ID here. So once they paste your business ID, they need to click next, and in the pop-up they will see all their Facebook pages, Instagram, ad manager and pixels. So the assets you request them from, they just need to select all those assets and give you the access. If they click on partial access, you cannot access their leads and revenue pages. So if you want the full admin access, they do need to turn on the full control option and the revenue and leads option here. So once they do this, they need to go into other options here on the left side, add account, and they just simply need to select all the relevant options here and the pages which are connected to each others. So if for the pixels, they just need to go into data sets, scroll down, and here you can find all your pixels here. You just need to select the correct pixels and give you the access. For Instagram also, they just need to go into the Instagram section and select the correct Instagram account which is connected to that Facebook page and the ad manager. Once they do that, it's simple. They just need to click save. You have successfully shared your assets with someone else without giving them your password of your Facebook or Instagram or ad manager account. You have shared all the access to them. And if you in future, if you want to remove them, you can just simply do it by one click. Just click on remove here and they will be removed from your business manager and all the pages you have shared with them. So it's that easy. You don't need to share the credentials anymore with anyone. So if you're working with a marketing agency, you can share your assets safely from your business manager. I hope this video helps you, and if you have any questions, you can comment below and I will answer them all for you. Till then, subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.